Hey guys, it's me, Steve WB, and today I'm going to show you how to turn this to this. So some of you are probably wondering, Steve WB, what are you doing? Well, this is what it is. This room used to be my office before I exploded it in an attempt to renovate it, because what I'm doing is I'm making a live studio for doing lives, but mainly Amazon lives inside my house, because up to this date I've been doing everything in the garage, but it's been winter time in Florida, so the weather's been nice in the garage. But we all know that when summer hits, it will be 95 degrees in there, and there's no way I can do any kind of a live show in there, just sweating buckets. What I'm going to do is I'm going to transform this space so I can do my YouTube lives and my Amazon lives inside my office, and this is how we're going to do it. Step 1, we're going to change this wall with a backdrop. Step 2, maybe add some decoration like shelving. Step 3, we're going to add some mood lighting. And then the final step will be the big reveal, and you guys can tell me what you think. So let's get started. Okay, so here's the wall so far. If I get up really close to this, you can see that it's not really the best resolution. But the difference is going to be, how does it look to you guys? Is it going to be a suitable backdrop? I'm looking at it in the thing and I'm not too sure about it. But we're just going to go ahead, we're putting it up. We're going to get everything installed and just kind of get a feel for what it's going to look like, add a little bit of lighting, and see how good we can make it. The next step is we're going to try to hang some shelves on top of the backdrop, and then of course after that we'll add lighting and see what it looks like. Okay, so I got the backdrop pretty much in place. We got it tacked all the way around and pulled as tight as I can. I ran a surge protector out from the wall, so I'll have power down here. The only thing I need to do is add some seam tape, but what I did is I've got these screws in the walls where I'm hanging my shelves, and the shelves I'm going to be using are these right here. I have 3 of them, so I need to put those up, and then we can add decoration and lighting to them, and that should wrap it up. And I am going to remove the tape. So we got the 3 shelves up. This is going to serve as part of the backdrop when I'm doing my live streams or doing talking head stuff. And then this side is going to be set up more for a backdrop whenever I'm doing a product showcase on the table. We'll just have to see how it looks on camera. It's probably going to look worse on this camera, but we'll see. We'll do a full test. Shelves are in. Okay, so these are the lights that I bought. They're only $15 for 2 lights. They are RGB light bars. I got them on Amazon. You can see that this is the RGBIC pickup rhythm light. Now, what sucks about these is they're really light and the battery doesn't last very long. So I might have to hack that, put a bigger battery in, or just hook them up to a power bank. But what's really cool about them is they are app controlled. But what's cool now is you can pick any color that you want using your phone. You have different styles. Magic forward, magic back, color energy, color jump. all the way up to 47 different styles. And then they have all these other options up here, which is just an insane amount of options. I'll never even see them all. Also, you have the music. Let's find us a quick song real quick. And you can see that they will dance with the music. So very cool little lights. Let's stick those up on the shelf. And it's me, Steve WB, and my new live setup. What do you guys think? How does the fake wood look? How do the cheap lights look? These little lights are 2 lights for $15. I have them timed with the music right now. They are app controlled, so very cool little lights. The shelving I've had for about 10 years. There you go. This is where I'm going to start doing my live streams from, rather than sitting in the garage, swatting bugs, dealing with heat and cold. Just drop a comment down below what you think about the transformation of this little space. And if you like videos like this, subscribe for more. I'm Steve WB, and I'm out.